What's going on? It's Mr. Arizona Tactical here. Some of you are wondering, how can I put a rail on top of my shotgun without drilling and tapping the receiver? Well, I have just a solution for you. So this is polymer, or plastic. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slots. Installation is pretty simple. All you have to do is pull out the pin for the trigger mechanism. Replace it with this one, and then pull out that flathead screw for the extractor, and replace that with this little guy. And it comes with the Allen keys, or Allen wrenches, and that's it. Let's get started. So all the hardware and the actual mount only weighs about 3.1 ounces. Pop this guy out with the Allen key it came with. Pretty simple, you just pop it in and then just pull it out. Boop. Put it on just like this. Then line it up with the hole right there. Got oil on it from the pin I just pulled out. Okay, you gotta finagle it a little bit. I'm probably not even lined up. There we go. Just push it on through. Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. And you can see it on that side. And we'll get this guy right here. Stick it in right there. And then we'll get the same Allen key. Just give it a little screw in. Oops. I'm holding it down with my thumb right there, but as you can see, it already has the grooves in it to keep it, so you can just tighten it down like this. So I had to switch cameras. So anyway, as you can see it down in there, this is the screw we're taking out. Right there. Just go ahead and take this guy all the way out. Don't drop it though, because you don't want to lose this. And that's it. That's how big the screw is. This little tiny guy. Alright, we'll put this guy off to the side. And then we'll get this one. Again, this is the Allen key. And then we'll stick it right through that hole. Now it fits in there, the threads fit in flush, so you kind of have to screw it in. And then put this guy on the back side as you're screwing it in. And there you go. Now it's got the flathead on the back, so you can tighten it up, but this one's too small, so we'll just finger tight. And then there is this one. This little hole right there to keep it from moving. And this is plastic on the top, so it won't scratch your shotgun. Just go ahead and stick it in there. And just twist it in with your fingers. And then go ahead and tighten it down with the Allen wrench. But don't drop it. And there you go. It's a pretty snug fit. It's not moving nowhere. And then just go ahead and add your optic. And there you go. Now you have an optic on your shotgun without drilling or tapping your receiver or the top of your shotgun. Let's go ahead and make sure it cycles the shells with the new screw in there. Again, it's on safe. Finger off the trigger. Go ahead and just cycle it. Alright, it seems to work. There we go. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and comment, rate, and subscribe if you'd like. And my next video I'm going to be discussing optics and should I buy one or not. Thanks for watching.